Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to add members to your Churchplus church management solution. In this tutorial, we will explore 3 out of the 4 methods available to add members. To access your Churchplus account, log in and you will be directed to the quick action page as a new user. From there, click on the Add Member card, which will take you to the membership form page. Fill in the appropriate details for the member. And choose the group and department they belong to. Once you have added the additional information, click on the big blue Save button to complete the process. If you'd like to access your dashboard directly, you can log in and click on the Skip to Dashboard button. Once you're on the dashboard page, navigate to the menu area and select People, then choose Members from the sub-menu options. You'll be taken to the Members page, where you can add a new member by clicking on the Add Member button. Fill in the required details and click Save to complete the process. Another method is through a public link available on the membership dashboard area. Simply click on the copy icon located on the right side of the public link, and then share it with your members via SMS or on your church member WhatsApp or Telegram group. It is important to accompany the public link with a message that explains to members why they need to fill out the form. Once the form is filled and submitted, you will see the data of your members on the members dashboard area. You can also use the QR code. Print out the QR code and paste it at the entrance of the church. Members can use their barcode scanner on their smartphones to scan the QR code, fill out the form, and easily add themselves to the database. Check out more videos in the Churchplus Guide series to learn more. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching the video.